Hey honeys, welcome back. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel, turn on that bell notification so that you'll know when I upload my next video. Then y'all come back and see me, okay? So y'all, we're just gonna get right into this video. This is my twist out from having in mini twists as a protective style for 2 whole weeks, y'all. Yes, 14 days I had my twist in. They did fine, so don't worry. But let's see how I got here, y'all. Okay, honeys, we are finally about to unravel these twists. I do need a light dusting of my ends, so I will be cutting it very soon. I know I keep saying that, but I really did, because I know, because hello, I'm already in another style, y'all. But anyway, what we're gonna do is go ahead and take these twists down, and I did it with shea butter. You guys, please use the oil of your choosing. I should not have used the shea butter. I feel like the shea butter may have contributed to my hair expanding and being so fluffy in the twist out. But again, these twists were in my head for 2 whole weeks, so I'm not certain that that's the reason. It may not be the culprit, but if it is, hey, use oil, okay? So I do also want to reference the passion twist that I had in my hair just a few weeks ago. I mentioned that a part of the reason why I was not a fan of passion twist is because passion twist looks just like my hair when it's in twisted form. So as you can see, as I'm taking these twists down, I ran into the exact same problem that I did with the passion twist hair. Once it had been in my head for a little while, it kind of started to tangle around itself, and that's exactly what my hair does. So this is a part of the reason why I feel like passion twists really are not for me, and this is just an example using my hair. It is my hypothesis that because your hair does have a life cycle, eventually your hair sheds from the follicle. So when it's growing back, your hair is kind of at varying lengths anyway, even if it's just healthy new growth. So I feel like that's the part of the hair that tangles around the other portion of the hair so that it gets kind of twirly and curly and becomes fringe like that. I'm not sure, but what do you guys think? Just takes the definition right away, huh? Look at this. I just cannot separate my hair, or it'll be like so huge. Okay, so I'm just going to untwist them and not break them apart. So you're just going to see what this looks like with my hair untwisted. You'll see the texture. These twists have been in 2 weeks today. So you'll see. Ooh, my hair act just like that passion twist hair. Okay, honey, so I wanted to go ahead and flex my length a little bit. No, seriously, but this is a little bit of a length check, and I wanted to show you how a little end did pop off. So that's why it's really important for you to go ahead and trim off that excess hair that may have knots on the end or that needs some sort of attention. So it will definitely have your twist looking so much better if you go ahead and snip those ends. And I know that we are currently not going to salons and whatnot, so guys, please get you some hair shears. Feel confident enough to snip the ends of those twists. It's really not that hard, and your hair will thank you later. Okay, my wonderfully made, beautiful haired honeys, we are here, and this is what the texture looks like after separating it just twice. So that is just unraveling the twists. And y'all, if your hair does not look like this once you unravel your twists, listen, take that up with God, honey. I ain't got nothing to do with that. Don't blame it on the product. Sometimes our hair just does what our hair does. So make sure that you are loving on your hair as you're looking at the other sisters whose hair is doing something maybe differently, or you're trying to style and it doesn't come out just like that, girl. It's okay. I'm sure it's still cute. But anyway, I decided to continue to separate my hair, so I'm going to go ahead and start to fluff it a little bit because I didn't have the comb that I was looking for. But you know we're resourceful, so y'all, I am sorry, but my storage was full and I need to continue to separate my hair. So I did fluff my hair off camera with a, I don't know, I was gonna say a wide tooth comb. Look at that one. So I did fluff my hair all over. So all I did was I separated them all at least twice. Some of them I was able to separate 4 times total. So separating the twist and then just leaving it like that would have been separating it twice for me. And then separating it 4 times would have been separating each part of that twist. So untwist, separate each part into 2. To me, that's separating into 4 pieces because that's how many strands I'll have hanging. So, oh yeah, warm. Okay, so I separated my hair and then I fluffed it at the roots a little bit. But for the most part, what I did at the roots once I untwisted it is I just kind of broke it apart. Okay, so I don't feel like there's a whole lot of definition because I had to break it up so much, but also I kept these twists in for 2 weeks. Today is literally 14 days of having those mini twists in my head, y'all. I don't know. I was just enjoying them. I was just spraying them every day with a water bottle and some leave-in with some oil and some glycerin. So my hair was doing just fine. I do need a trim. I still need a trim, y'all. So hopefully I will be trimming my hair soon because I do want to do another protective style here soon. I think I want to do another retwist on my own hair and make the parts look a little bit better than I did for this style, but we'll see. I'll either do that or I'll do some flat twists as well as some hanging twists. I don't know, but we'll see. I'm gonna do another protective style. We know that. I slicked down this little portion of my hair with Shine and Jam yellow jar. The jar is more like gold. The jar is more, I don't know, gold kind of, you know. Honey glow-ish, something like that. Okay, honey, so I'm going to go ahead and let you guys see this 2-strand twist out and all of its glory. Y'all, this is really cute. It's so fluffy and my hair does still feel moisturized. And I want to say that during this process, because I was wetting my hair every day and adding some sort of scalp maintenance to it, and scalp maintenance, doing scalp maintenance, my scalp was very clean, but there is a little piece of lint or something in my hair, but nonetheless, this was great. I'm not really going to wear my hair like this, but I did want you guys to see what the twist out is going to look like. I'm not going to wear my hair like this because we're still not in quarantine, but we're still kind of bunkering down at home because it is April the 26th, and listen, I'm not going anywhere. Let me tell you, honey, I've been working on this beach body, but guess what? Not going to happen this summer. If this the summer, oh well. Yellow polka dot bikini, oh well. What she wear? She wore a itsy bitsy teeny weeny. I was ready for my bikini, honey. Also, you know, I've been saying that I'm going to do a health segment, which I really am going to do a health segment. It's just so much has been going on right now, especially with COVID-19. I don't really want to tackle some of these subjects because the healthcare industry in general is a very sensitive subject for some people. But I do want to talk a lot about the natural ways that I treated myself for some diagnoses. So Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Turn on that bell notification so that you can come back and see me. Make sure that you spread the word. Tell a friend. Tell that friend to tell a friend. Everybody subscribe, right? Okay, y'all. Peace, love, whole lot of light. See you next time. Bye. I don't know how I'm gonna use that footage, but I bet it's gonna be real cute. No. Whatever. All right.